Hi, I'm Haley, and today I'm making 2-ingredient banana pancakes. These are made with only banana and eggs, so it's like a healthier version of pancakes. And I really love pancakes, so I'm excited to see how these taste and if they're really good, like normal pancakes. So pull out your frying pan and let's get started. Okay, in a medium bowl, I have 2 large bananas. Make sure they're large bananas, or you can just use like an extra half banana if they're not large bananas. And you want your bananas to be very ripe because there's no other added sugar in this, but when they're riper, they're sweeter. So it's best to use ripe bananas. And I'm just going to use my whisk to mash them up, but you can also use a fork because it really doesn't matter. It's gonna take a while to mash up your bananas because you wanna make sure that it's like mostly liquidy with only a few tiny pieces, so just be patient because it's really important that you mash up your bananas enough. And now I'm done mashing up my bananas and I'm going to add in 4 eggs. Let's see. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay, I'm about to whisk in my eggs, but right now is a good time to start heating up your skillet because you want it to be warm when you're ready. That way you don't have to wait. So I'm just gonna turn it on medium low, and I'm gonna put some butter on there, or you can use oil. Just stay there. So while my pan is heating up, I'm going to finish making the batter by whisking in my eggs. This is fun. I love this whisk. It makes my job so easy. And once you've finished whisking in your eggs, then you're all done with the batter. Okay, my pan is ready, and now I'm gonna take about a 1/4 cup of batter, and oh, be careful, it's like drippy. And I'm gonna pour it in the pan. Okay. These are spreading out a lot more than normal pancakes because it's extremely liquidy. And then after you pour your batter onto the pan, now is the time to add anything that you want to add, like pecans or chocolate chips or a frozen fruit or not frozen fruit. I don't know. I don't know what the rules are about that, like if you can add frozen fruit to pancakes. I should look that up. But I'm going to add pecans, so I'm just going to add those on top. And now I'm going to wait. I really want to flip it or check it or do something with it right now, but I can tell that it's just too liquidy and it's not time to flip it. And it's starting to look more done. Yeah, getting there. Okay, close, but not done. You'll know it's time to flip it when it starts to get these bubbles on the edges and you can move it around without it breaking or like falling apart. And that means that it's starting to get cooked underneath. So I'm gonna flip it. It's gonna take 2 or 3 minutes on the first side, and then after you flip it, it's gonna take about a minute to finish cooking. Oh, nope, not done yet. And make sure that you don't press down on your pancake with your spatula because then that'll make them like super duper flat. Okay, I finished my first pancake, and don't be too worried if your first one doesn't go that well because it takes practice, and the first one is usually not a very pretty one. So I'm just gonna keep doing that until I run out of batter. If you cook your pancakes on medium, then they get too brown on the bottom before they're actually done enough to flip them over. And then they'll be like super liquidy and it'll just turn into a mess. Okay, I just finished making my last pancake and now I'm gonna try one. This made about 16 mini pancakes. Cutting it open. It's not, no, it doesn't look too bad. Just, you know, looks pretty much like a normal pancake. It's a little flatter. You know, they're not bad. Like, I thought it was gonna be kind of weird because there's no sugar, but they don't taste sugar-free at all because bananas are so sweet by themselves. It tastes really good, actually. Yeah, it definitely doesn't taste or feel the same as a normal pancake, but they're still pretty good. They're just a different type of pancake. And it's great for like if you're avoiding sugar or carbs. Well, thank you so much for baking with me today. Let me know if you ever make banana pancakes, and I'll see you next time on You're Stirring It Wrong.
I mean, that loud?
Yes! It's like...
I'm all the way over there.
I made my pancake batter super smooth. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Heat up. I believe in you, Pan. You can do it. I always say you're stirring it wrong through my teeth because I'm smiling.